It doesn't matter how much you've read about it, how many TV things or any films that you've watched about the migration, how much you've prepared. When you first see, you do a sweep around the plain and you see 400,000 animals around you just in one sweep, it moves some people to tears.
We're driving fast down to the Mara River and we are going to see the crossing, whereby my colleague just told me they're on the bank waiting to cross. So hopefully we get there soon.
It'll only take one to start and they'll all just follow like the herd instinct will take over.
The herd mentality on the wildebeest will just make everybody else just run in and dive across the river. It's exactly what might happen possibly in the next few minutes.
That was absolutely staggering. It was tear-jerking. It really was.
Yeah.
You thought, come on, get across, because you knew how important it was to them. It's really life and death to them, isn't it, to get across that river, to get to the fresh grass. And you were just willing them across. Come on, come on. Marvellous.
Very, very emotional, but that's what we came for, and we've seen it. So been there, done that, absolutely brilliant.
You must have seen excitement on me. I was also taking pictures, despite the fact that I see this a few more other times, but it's still very exciting every moment to see it. It's really brilliant.
Superb.